In this video, we discuss Bitcoin price, both current and the price history over the years since it was introduced to the market and online investment. If you are new to our channel, please click subscribe. It helps our channel to grow tremendously. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to successfully record transactions on a secure decentralized blockchain-based network. It was launched in early 2009 by its creator Satoshi Nakamoto. He was the inventor of the Bitcoin protocol on the 1st of November 2008. Nakamoto worked with people on the open-source Bitcoin team, but never revealed anything personal about himself. The last anyone heard from him was in the early of 2011. According to goldprice.org, in 2011 and 2012, Bitcoin reached and exceeded the US dollar, hitting a value of around $31 per Bitcoin. In 2013, Bitcoin rose to $1,000, the highest rate for its first time in history, but then the currency collapsed permanently until 2016 before it recovered its price back to $700 per Bitcoin. In 2017, Bitcoin gained more mainstream awareness. Its increased demand led to a massive price rocket from under $1,000 to around $20,000 US dollars. As of today, in 2021, one Bitcoin price stands between $20,000 to $30,000 US dollars. This is probably the reason why much interest has been looking into investing in Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. Many investors begin to buy Bitcoins hoping to make a return on investments in the near future. Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency measured by market capitalization and the data stored on its blockchain. The Bitcoin software is free and available online to anyone who wants to run a Bitcoin and store their own copy of the Bitcoin blockchain. As Bitcoin matures, engineers have designed additional protocols to improve the speed and privacy of Bitcoin transactions, including the Omni layer, Lightning Network and Liquid Network. Only approximately 21 million Bitcoins will ever be created. According to the BBC News, May 2021, Bitcoin price falls further as China cracks down on cryptocurrencies. The price of Bitcoin fell below $34,000 for the first time in 3 months on Wednesday, after China imposed restrictions on cryptocurrencies. Beijing banned banks and payment firms from providing services related to cryptocurrency transactions, including Bitcoin. It also warned investors against crypto trading earlier this week. The price continued to fall by more than 10% last week after Tesla said it would no longer accept the currency. On Wednesday afternoon, Bitcoin recovered some ground, although it was still down -10.4% at $38,000. Meanwhile, other digital currencies such as Ether, which acts as the fuel for the Ethereum blockchain network, and Dogecoin lost as much as 22% and 24%. In March, Tesla boss Elon Musk announced that the electric car maker would allow customers to buy cars using Bitcoin. But last week, he did a U-turn and suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin because of environmental concerns. Elon Musk on his Twitter said that, "We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transaction. Cryptocurrency is a good idea, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment." Why China put restrictions on cryptocurrency and Bitcoins? Cryptocurrency trading has been illegal in China since 2019 in order to fight against money laundering. According to Reuters.com, May 2021, China has banned financial institutions and payment companies from providing services related to cryptocurrency transactions and warned investors against speculative crypto trading. Under the ban, such institutions, including banks and online payments channels, must not offer clients any service using cryptocurrency, such as registration, trading, clearing and settlement. The moves were not Beijing's first moves against digital currency. In 2017, China shut down its local cryptocurrency exchanges that had accounted for 90% of global Bitcoin trading. In June 2019, the People's Bank of China issued a statement saying it would block access to all domestic and foreign cryptocurrency exchanges and initial coin offering websites, aiming to crack down on all cryptocurrency trading on foreign exchanges. Let's look back to the Bitcoin's price history. Among all currencies of crypto, Bitcoin has had one of the most value trading histories. Its first price increase took place in 2010, when the value of a single Bitcoin jumped from around $0.0008 to $0.08. The price of Bitcoin has fluctuated since then. The price changes for Bitcoin may reflect investor enthusiasm and dissatisfaction with its promise. Satoshi Nakamoto, the Bitcoin's inventor, designed it for use as a medium for daily transactions and to change the traditional banking infrastructure after the 2008 financial collapse. During Bitcoin's early days, liquidity was thin, and there were very few investors in cryptocurrency markets. According to Investopedia.com, the events at Mt. Gox, one of the world's first crypto exchanges, massively contributed to changes in Bitcoin's price in 2014. For example, the price went down from $850 to $580, a decline of 32%, after the exchange claimed to have lost 850,000 bitcoins filed for bankruptcy in February 2014. Here are some most common questions about bitcoins. Is Bitcoin real money, and why does it have value? The answer is yes, Bitcoin is money. You can use it to buy certain goods and services, or, if you like, easily trade it for currencies like the US dollar on a Bitcoin exchange. Like any other currency, Bitcoin's value is determined by what the free market thinks it's worth. Who controls the Bitcoin network? Nobody owns or controls Bitcoin, which is one of the reasons it appeals to people. The network was launched by an unknown developers, and then other volunteer developers continued to add new updates to the software. Is Bitcoin legal? The answer is, it depends on each country's laws and regulations. Bitcoin has not been made illegal in any country as of today, although some nations restrict its use more heavily than others. Bitcoin is often associated with crime and other hackers and bankruptcy. Where can I buy Bitcoins? You can purchase Bitcoins on a cryptocurrency exchange or by buying it directly from another investor. You can also earn Bitcoins through mining. If you are interested to find out more, we put the link to invest in Bitcoins in the descriptions of this video. Make sure you check out. Is Bitcoin a good investment? Whether Bitcoin is a good investment, it depends entirely on your own preferences, risk and investment needs. Nobody can say whether Bitcoin is a good investment with certainty. While the price in the past saw some big drop over the years, the past performance of Bitcoins is probably not the accurate indicator of future performance, and you must use your own judgment when making an investment. Can I make money trading Bitcoin? You can make money trading Bitcoin. You can also lose it. Trading Bitcoin currency can be profitable, but is also risky at the same time. Voices used in this video are auto-generated from IBM Watson text-to-speech. If you want to learn how to use IBM Watson text-to-speech for free, leave your comment below. This video is also made possible with free videos footage from VDevo. Check out their website for more info. I also put the link in the description. We hope you find this video useful to learn about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe to learn more about crypto and other online investments. Thank you.